Mayuresh Joshi, the head of equity research at William O'Neill, is with us on the show now. Mayuresh, afternoon. Wanted to get your thoughts in on PVR. Is this a stock that you track? Yesterday, they held their first investor meet post the merger with Inox, and they did indicate that they will continue to add about 200 screens every year on a base of 1,600 screens. They're targeting the South market as well, and they're confident about EBITDA savings of about 200 to 225 crores rupees. What they said, did it excite you?
Afternoon, Reema. I think two aspects to the whole story. I think one, specifically after post-COVID, a few of the launches were not well received. The last few, including Brahmastra and Pathan, were very well received by the box office. But I think a majority part of the movies have probably not done well. A slew of South Indian movies have actually done well. So to that extent, the opening up of more screens in the southern part of the country makes logical sense. The other aspect in terms of the entire merger dynamics and the revenue and cost synergies that can probably come through should start getting reflected. But the entire perspective, Reema, depends on content. I just met a very senior veteran from the industry itself. His view is that the content that the industry has got, which is accumulated during the COVID phase, is still stale. And to that extent, I think the new releases which come through in the next few quarters is still going to be with the old content itself. So again, I think more of a trading bet, in my opinion. It's all content which will do the re-rating of these things.